We're here at the Hilton Apple Festival car show. They say there's about 600 plus cars here today. Unbelievable turnout. As you can see, the entire school ground is covered with cars. There's so many cars here today, I'm not going to video all of them. Seeing it's Apple Fest, apples are usually red. I thought about red cars only, but there's a ton of red cars, so there are also green apples. So we're going to do just green cars today, and the first one is right in front of us. We have two right next to each other here. 62 MGA and a 2013 Lamborghini. Oh, we got a 55 T-Bird. Oh, we got a green truck here. 68 Chevy, really clean. Very nice. We got a green 67 VW, a green 55 Chevy, and we got a 57 that probably qualifies. Yeah, that's more blue. Oh, this 60 Chevy is a light tone of green. Jim's 56 Chevy. It's a green 34 Chevy. There's John's green 32. And we got a green 31 Ford Model A. Belongs to Jim. We got another green truck. It's a 54 Chevy panel. Super clean. This qualifies as a green 57 Chevy. And over here is a green Riviera. The green 75 Vega. It's a 72 Skylark. 72 Ford Wagon LTD Country Squire. A bright green AMC Rebel, and it's a 68. That I mentioned, green is my favorite color. Green 61 Cadillac and original paint. We got a green, dark green 66 Mustang. A green 2000 Mustang. A 67 Mustang.
67? It's a GTA, automatic. Oh wow.
I had 70 Camaros, had a 66 Caprice with a 454 big block in.
Many green Corvettes, but this is actually a green. And there's a convertible behind it that I believe is the same dark green. I like this one. It's 71 Corvette.
What is for sale? 60.
And Richie brought his green 54 Plymouth. Four Olds, two-tone green.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
And we got another Olds with green. It's a 56.
Barb's crazy about
65 GTO, and that is a shade of green. We have a couple of green Camaros. Let's skip down to the other one.
Here, Hulk. Are you all done? Look at Austin.
The 73 Pontiac Formula 455.
I don't want to give her too much. 44 years.
69 and a half Dodge Super B. I gotta throw this one in here. It says it's a Stutz Black Hawk. Everybody's questioning what it is. 2015 Dodge. And we'll skip over here to the last one. (2017) Dodge. And last but not least, we get the green tent.